everyone. I'm Jennifer Brown, Family Consumer Science Agent with the North Carolina Cooperative Extension Service. We're here today to make our Crockpot maple brown sugar ham. So I've got about a 6 to 7 pound ham. I've actually thrown away the flavor packet that it normally comes with it, because usually when it comes with a sauce packet or whatever, it's typically higher in salt, which is what we want to stay away from. So we've got our ingredients. We have, first thing we're going to do is we have a cup of brown sugar. So we're going to kind of get this out of here, and we're going to pat it all around the different edges, the different sides, all 4 sides of the ham. So it's all nice and covered in the nice tasty brown sugar. Okay, and then we're going to pour our 2 cups of pineapple juice in here as well to give it some more delicious flavor. And last but not least, we're going to put our maple syrup. So we've got a ½ cup of maple syrup that again we're just going to pour over top of it. So 4 simple ingredients with your ham, your brown sugar, your pineapple juice, and your maple syrup. And then we're just going to put this in our, turn our crock pot on and cook it on low for 4 to 5 hours. So that's a simple way that you can make a crock pot brown sugar maple ham. This has been Jennifer Brown, Family Consumer Science Agent with the North Carolina Cooperative Extension Service. Thanks for tuning in.